That is so cute. Well, it makes you wonder, you know, if that's just a genetic thing for human beings, because nobody said braid and dance. You know what I mean?
Right.
But he hears music and he moves to it. Yeah.
He hears on the TV, he starts dancing.
I mean, it can't be genetically from his father.
Maybe you weren't showing him your moves. Brayden!
He's got rhythm. He's got no rhythm.
Brayden!
Now Josh actually did it. He was dancing around.
Yeah, Brock now dances because of that.
Yeah.
And you can tell Brock does Josh's dance.
Too bad. He gets away with it because he doesn't know better. Can mommy have a kiss? Can mommy have a kiss? Brayden? No?
Go ahead.
This is kind of like a gift for him.
Oh, thank you.
Four?
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh, good job. Huh?
Yay, Brayden. Good job, honey. Yay. Help you have 50
Yay. Yay.
Good job, bud.
We could have had this fall out and have 5 little kids.
Well, hello there. Hi, buddy.
Horrible traffic jam.
Sit on it.
Well, they could get stuck in